Hi, I'm Rob from My Computer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore your start menu in Windows 8. Now, it's not an official thing from Microsoft, it is a third-party application, but the good news is it is open source and it's free. So what you're going to need to do first is open up your web browser, get over to Google or whichever search engine you use, search for ClassicShell download. And you'll see here sourceforge.net projects ClassicShell. If you go to their website, you can just download using the link here. Have to be patient, wait for it to start, or just click the direct link as I often do. Save the file, we'll pause it here. Once your ClassicShell download's completed, you're going to want to just open and run the executable. Installer starts. Have a good read through the license agreement if you've got the time. Now you've got some options here of exactly what you want to install. You've got Classic Explorer, and by Explorer what they mean is this here when you're browsing your system. Classic Explorer gives you the option to set this back to how it used to be in previous versions of Windows. Now I quite like Windows 8, so I'm leaving that as is. We've got the Classic Start menu, which is obviously the main thing that we're after, and we've got Classic IE9, which again I'm quite happy with IE, so I'm going to leave that as it is. Click next, install. We'll warn you for security, being Windows 8, unless you've got that feature disabled. And once we're done, you can choose to view the README file, find out all the information that it's done in the various updates, or just click to finish. Now what you will have noticed down the bottom here is we've got our little start icon here. First time you run it, when you click, it's going to bring up this window here. From this window you've got the choice of the old classic style, which is what we're more familiar with in Windows 95, 98. The XP style here with the large blue bar at the top, or the more newer Windows Vista, Windows 7 style. Obviously this is down to personal preference. I'm going to go with the Windows 7. Then we've got some additional settings here on the basic settings. Here you can choose whether it opens the start menu with a left click, or whether we go back to the classic Windows 8 style, which is to go to the start screen with all of your tiles, for your programs, etc. And to keep the functionality of both, you've got the option to shift and click, doing either the reverse, as it is in this case, or you can have it do nothing or do to suit. Your Windows key, as we used to if you're used to keyboard shortcuts, bringing your start menu straight up. You've got lots of different options here, displaying the computer, favourites, etc. I'll just show you this as per default. So you can see it's showing control panel, search, run, etc. Shortcuts to the usual places, my documents, my pictures, etc. And then for those of you that like to tinker around with the style and the appearance, you've got your skin options here. By default it's on Windows Aero, but you can change that to any of these, or you can download other skins off of the internet. The program even has the ability to back up your settings, saving these to an XML file, and then you can transfer these to other machines to save you having to reconfigure it all again. Once you finish, just click OK, and now when we click on our start menu, we've got something a bit more familiar to us from previous releases of Windows. Thanks for watching. Please like underneath if you found this video helpful, and if you've got any suggestions of videos that we can make to help you out in future, just post in the comments or drop us an email. Thanks.